Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how you can get Claude Code on your Windows PC. And before that, you will need Visual Studio Code and Git Bash installed. So for that, let's get Visual Studio Code from the Microsoft Store itself. And here, let's search for Visual Studio Code, this one, and click on install. Let it download. So now that this is installed, you can just cross this out and let's just run it once. Okay, now for Git Bash, just go on to Google and search for Git, and then this is the one, Git uh, install for Windows. You can change your OS according to your liking. I will just click on here to download. Once this is downloaded, let's run the execution file. Now click on next, next, and this is optional, but I would like to check all of these. Now next, next, and change this to use Visual Studio Code as default one. Next, let Git decide. Next, next. Now click on install. Now, once this is downloaded, let's do launch Git Bash and finish this. As you can see, this is downloaded. Now we need to get Claude Code, and for that we will search for code.claude.com. This one, and for this I will provide you the link in the description. And let's do Windows PowerShell and copy this code and then run it on PowerShell. So Windows PowerShell, and then paste that link over here. Press enter. Now this will install the Claude Code, but if you do not have Git Bash already installed, it will show some error. So you have to make sure that Git Bash is installed before doing all of this. So you can see now that this is done. Installation complete. Now yeah, so now let's try running this Claude help. Just copy this and paste it. Let's run it. Now as you can see that it is installed. So let's clear it all and then just type Claude. And now from here you can select your mode and all, like dark mode, lighting. I'll just keep it as the default dark mode, and let's click on enter. And from here you can log in to your account using whichever way you like. You can use your Claude account with subscription, Anthropic console account, or third party, whichever you like. And you might see a prompt to set up something. So for that you need to open the environment variables. So for that, just type in this environment variable, open this, and then go to environment variables, click on path and click on edit. And then this one you will get in over here. Before when you face this problem, you have to just paste it over here in a new line. Once you paste it, just click on OK, OK, and then OK. Now this will sort everything out. Now I also have 2 more videos coming in which I will show you how you can run it on, basically for free on your own device by self-hosting it, and another one showing you how you can install skills and MCP. So if you want to see that, just comment it down and I will make that video. Also, all the links will be in description. Thank you.